Do you have blocky STL files, the kinds with lots of corners on them? Then this is one way to maybe handle them. You can convert them using Fusion's onboard conversion capability, but when you do, you still get a CAD file that's just as ugly as it was before. Yes, you can cut it and it's real CAD, but with all those extra faces, most people don't want them. How do you handle it? Well, select them and just press the delete key. When selecting, I often like to use the paint command. Selecting only body faces and making sure you're not selecting through also helps. Both which faces you select and the order you select them in can affect your results. Keep trying. These functional elements should be sketched. Do not project them out. In order to do this right, you're going to have to turn this function off. It's on by default and it would result in a number of points. Rebuilding in this way will give you clean functional elements that you can reuse easily. Rebuilding STL files is never easy, but you can find out more here. There may be a ton of ways to do it, but none of them are nice. I do wish you good luck.